Hey everyone, turning it around. Hopefully you can see me. All right, mad scientist at work again. Another fun video or another fun experiment that you can do at home. So in order to do this one, you need what they call like a ceramic plate. In other words, it can't be paper. Okay, so maybe, something like that. I'm going to try it also on this, but yeah. Okay, so ceramic plate. Please make sure you get somebody's permission before you take their plates. No china, okay? Do not get the expensive stuff that you use on special occasions. No, 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 no. All right, but it will not work on paper either. Like paper plates won't work on like plastic. It's got to be like this ceramic-y stuff. All right. So, one plate, dry erase marker. And I'm trying this two different ways. I've got warm water, not Pepsi, warm water and cold water, okay? All right, so, this is what it says to do. All right, get in a dry erase, all right? And here we go. Now, whatever you draw on it, all the lines have to connect, all right? So I'm going to draw... There's the man. I'm going to connect... Okay, see? It's all connected. Now, okay. All right. I'm going to try the warm water first. I'm hoping it's still warm. All right. And then what you're supposed to do is you pour it, okay, slow. And so it kind of curves down, okay? All right. I see stuff happening. Okay. And just, even though it might look like you don't have enough, wait till the water kind of stops moving. And then carefully, see like right there, I don't have water. So I might just, he's doing it. He's dancing. But see, I'm also kind of getting that water all the way under. So you kind of want all the water to cover your little person. Let me see if I can make him dab. Womp. I think I'm having more fun with this. Oh, look, I made him dab. Woo! Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's see what else we can do with him. Floating. So if you've noticed, he's magically come off the bottom of the plate. And now he's just floating in the water. Ooh. Pretty cool, huh? I know. Pretty cool. So, how does this happen? We're going to find out. Why does this happen? Right? Let me pause it. All right, my friends. So what is happening here with this crazy man? By the way, if you've noticed, well, his head has come apart. But what I can tell you is different markers, like Sharpies, we call those indelible markers, all right? So those markers have inks that actually have like an adhesive in them so that when you write with them, they really stick to something, right? That's why it's so hard to get Sharpie off of stuff. But dry erase or Expo markers use inks with just a little bit of adhesive, all right? That way you can write it like on the whiteboard and then it wipes off easily. So the ink that is in the dry erase is also insoluble. That means you can't dissolve it in a liquid. In, not, okay? We talked about prefixes. In, meaning not. Soluble means it can dissolve in water. So, cannot be dissolved in a liquid, all right? Which means it's less dense than water, okay? So when we poured the water onto my little stick figure man, all right, there was a buoyancy force, all right? Buoyancy, all right, force that came over the stickiness. So in other words, the water took over the stickiness of the ink and got underneath it and pulled my little man off of the surface, okay? Making him kind of float. Now, this is what else is cool that you can do. Okay, all right. Yeah. Can we pick him up? Look at that. You can kind of pick it up. Isn't that cool? All right, so that's definitely one you can do at home. Hopefully, if you've got some dry erase markers. If not, you don't need like the professional ones, right? I think these were like the store brand ones from Target. They're not that expensive. You can even just get one, all right? But you can try making other things, all right? Maybe a balloon. Let me see if it works on this other plate. Look at me. Let's see. Let me pause this. All right, so here's my other type of plate. Okay, it's a false graph. It's not China, okay? But it kind of has, I think what helps is it like has this gloss over it, okay? So, I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to draw something, all right? So I'll be right back. Okay, don't laugh at my little man. So I'm trying kind of some different colors together and seeing what happens. I'm also trying a different surface, okay? So even though this is something fun to do, I've got a lot of wonderings happening. Like, I wonder if I use a different surface, or I wonder if I try and combine different colors, right? So more investigations, even though I'm just kind of, it's almost like I'm playing. I mean, I'm having a blast. All right, so I don't want to I'm going to add the water, like not terribly close because I don't want him to break apart. So I'm kind of, let's see. I'll kind of keep it here on the edge and let it roll down carefully. Okay. I'm going to go a little slower. Okay. Whew. All right, I can already see kind of that effect. See, some of them. So, if you notice that some of it's sticking, who knows why? I don't know why. I'm just going to kind of wiggle it a little bit. All right. Maybe blow on it. Because what I'm noticing is my green is not coming off as well as I'd like. It is there, but nowhere else. Like that spot there. My man, it's like my little dude. He's ready to dance, but his flowers aren't coming with him, right? Oh no, he broke his arm. Oh dear. So that's the thing with science, you know? That's why we always do those at least 3 trials. Because if I were to call this trial 2, it didn't get such a good reaction. But I could kind of maybe make the hypothesis that, well, maybe this plate has a texture that's not going to fare well. See, because I can move, yeah. So, it does still come off easily. Maybe that's why the water couldn't get underneath, is that maybe the dry erase, because this has a little bit more roughness to it, maybe the dry erase kind of really adhered to that roughness. But either way, still totally cool. So I will send you the directions on this, but this is pretty much, you need water. Now I tried it with warm water, but they say it also works with cold water. I guess I should have tried that too. A dry erase marker. All right. And then they say you can also use a pie pan, either glass or ceramic. Okay. So you can use like a glass plate or a glass pie pan. Okay. So maybe someone in your house has that if they do some baking. Okay. a plate, all right, like the one I have, or the other one I had. It's called Corel, But you don't have to go out and buy this. Look around your house. That's the fun of these things, okay? And just remember, all right, less adhesive in those. And those Sharpies actually are made with an adhesive. An adhesive is like tape, glue, paste, right? Totally cool. I didn't know that. All right, guys. Enjoy. Mad Scientist out.